I've got a new product to try. I think it's like a cross between a gel coat and a filler, but it's white. They say you can sand it and polish it. So it's had a smack on this back corner here, and the seam's opened up a little bit. So I'm going to see what it does. The cracks go on further up here, but I'm not going to go up to that extreme. I've taken it up a little bit here. So I shall mix that up, and I'll put my old number plate to use as a mixing pad, and I'll clean that as well to keep everything fresh if I can. Well, this is what it looks like. It's very smooth, like cream cheese. I'll mix a bit up. Of course, there's no coloured hardener to tell you when you've mixed it. So just keep mixing the hell out of it, I suppose. Quite difficult to put on thick. Maybe that's the idea. I'm just going to put that on flat first and go back with another coat. And try and build at the centre. I think there comes a point where you just stop messing with it and leave it. That's going to need some more in there. Let's see if that will go off. Well, there it is after about 4 coats of applying and rubbing down. I'm not perfect. Very difficult with these conditions. It's so cold, it takes forever to go off. But that's smartened it up for now.